YouTube! Today is part 2 of my LEGO Mini Model series. And this is a gas station, which includes roof with moving flag, convenience store, pumps, and tanker truck. So first let's start with the tanker truck. The pieces you'll be needing are 1 1x2 with hinge, 1 1x2 with clip, 5 1x1 studs, a headlight brick, a 1x1 smooth tile, 2 1x1 plates, 2 Technic tubes that are 1x2, and 1 Technic pin that's 1x2. So let's get building the truck. And this is a fueler, like tanker, whatever you want to call it. So take your 2 hinge elements and clip them together and place a 1x1 on either one. It doesn't matter. I'm going to choose to do it on the one with the clip, and then place a 1x1 plate behind it on the same piece. Then go to the back on the other piece, stick a 1x3 smooth tile hanging over, flip it, your entire build over, stick a 1x1 plate on the bottom, and now flip it back over, push it aside. No, wait, you want to put 2 wheels on the very front, 2 1x1 studs right there, like one in the front, one right behind it, and one in the back, and one right in front of the back. Like that. Now, set that aside. You can press it down on a flat surface to straighten everything out. Just gonna put shit down on my desk or table. And now it's time to make the big tank on the back. Take your 2 Technic tubes, stick the Technic pin in between them. Make sure both of these slots are facing down. You don't have to, but it's best to do. Stick a stud on one end and stick a headlight brick on the other side. And now, time to put these 2 builds together. Just stick the headlight brick onto the 1x1 plate so that the tube faces back. Sorry, that's my mom talking in the background. So it looks like that. Now I'll show you guys how to make the pumps for the gas station. Okay, now to make the pumps, you will need all these pieces. You will need 1 3x4 minifigure base with 4 studs. You will need 2 1x2 jumpers, 2 headlight bricks, and make sure it's not hollow in the back, 2 1x1 nose cones, and 2 thin minifigure hands. So let's get building these pumps. So take your collectible minifigure base, place 2 jumper plates on the 4 studs, like that. Put both in a row. Now take both your headlight bricks and stick the minifigure hand in the front. You can face it either way, but when it's filling up, because this is actually going to form the handle, then stick them on the jumper plates. Like so. There. And stick it on the other side. Now stick 2 cone pieces on the top of the headlight bricks, like so. And that's your pumps. Next, I'll be showing you how to make the cool looking convenience store for your gas station. Now I'll be showing you how to make the convenience store for your LEGO Mini gas station. And the pieces you'll be needing are 3 1x2 bricks. You can use transparent ones, but I'm not going to. These will be the walls. We need to use transparent ones if you want to make windows. 1 2x4 plate, 2 1x1 nose cones, 2 1x2 jumper plates, and a 1x4 plate. So first you want to take your 2x4 plate, surround it with the 1x2 bricks, place them on one side, place it behind in the back, and then place it on the other side. So there's a 1x2 opening in the front. That's going to be the entrance. Now place a 1x4 plate above the entrance, and place 2 jumper plates in the back 1x4 gap, and then place the 1x1 nose cones on top of the jumper plates. So, and that's your convenience store. And last but not least, I'll be showing you how to make the roof. And then I'll be showing you how to attach all of these sections of your gas station together. Okay, now it's time to make the roof with the waving flag. You need 1 4x4 plate, 3 1x4 plates, and tiles, not plates. 2 1x1 smooth tiles, a 1x2 with the bar, a minifigure hand, and that's it. So first you want to take your 4x4 plate, take 2 of your 1x4 smooth tiles, place them here on one side. So you could use a 1x4, but it doesn't look as good, and 2x4, but it doesn't look as good. Then leave a 1x4 gap, and then place another 1x4 smooth tile on that side. Now take 2 1x1 smooth tiles, place them on either side of the 1x4 gap, leaving only a 1x2. Now take the piece with bar, place it in the center, and place your minifigure hand on top of it. Just clip it on. And now I'll show you how to hook all the sections together. So the tanker doesn't have a specific connection point. The first what you want to do is place these 2 holes on the bottom of the roof. The 4x4 plate, technically the roof, onto these nose cones on the convenience store so that the door faces like that. And then take your gas pumps, attach the 2 nose cones to the holes underneath on the opposite side. And then you can just drive up your little tanker and get some fuel, just in case a car broke down. So that's Lego Mini Models number 2, a gas station. I hope you guys enjoyed.